What is the one word for relevant and appropriate? The correct answer is germane. What is the one word for worthy of imitation? The correct answer is exemplary. What is the one word for of organisms living together, especially to mutual advantage? The correct answer is symbiotic. What is the one word for the state or quality of having infinite knowledge? The correct answer is omniscience. What is the one word for a feeling of lack of interest or energy? The correct answer is lassitude. What is the one word for given to or marked by the consumption of alcohol? The correct answer is bibulous. What is the one word for living by preying on other animals? The correct answer is rapacious. What is the one word for a state of extreme poverty or destitution? The correct answer is indigence. What is the one word for an explanation or critical interpretation? The correct answer is exegesis. What is the one word for behave unnaturally or affectedly? The correct answer is dissemble. What is the one word for the environmental condition? The correct answer is milieu. What is the one word for the principal character in a work of fiction? The correct answer is protagonist. What is the one word for attempting to win favor by flattery? The correct answer is sycophantic. What is the one word for celebrate or enjoy something in a noisy or wild way? The correct answer is carouse. What is the one word for radiating or as if radiating light? The correct answer is effulgent. What is the one word for only partly in existence, imperfectly formed? The correct answer is inchoate. What is the one word for being of striking appropriateness and pertinence? The correct answer is apposite. What is the one word for something that serves as a model? The correct answer is archetype. What is the one word for characteristic of or resembling hell? The correct answer is infernal. What is the one word for the appearance of truth, the quality of seeming to be true? The correct answer is verisimilitude.